I am CeCe with CeCe Designs and Events out of Birmingham, Alabama. I am the floral designer of all the things, and I am what they refer to as the Queen of Lives. So I'm here today to give you a couple of pro tips on how to use your number one marketing tool, which is live video. So one of the main things I hear people say is there's no way I can do live video. They all think that they have to be a little extra, kind of like I am. But I'm here to show you a couple of ways that you can do it and have just your personality be exactly who you are. So first of all, let me tell you why. 64% of consumers say that a live video influenced a purchase that they have made within the last month, guys. That should tell you everything you need to know. Also, 80% of Americans would rather watch live video on social media than read your blog. I'm one of them. So I told you how important it is. Now let me tell you how to utilize it, how it's going to set you apart from other people in your industry. Number one, it's definitely going to show your personality and who you are. I always think that this is key because people love shopping, buying, or investing in people that they feel comfortable with, that they know. Also, this is the opportunity for you to set aside and show people that you're the expert in your field and show them your knowledge and how that you are kind of king of the hill where you are and have them invest in you. Also, you want to make sure that you're showing people the type of work that you do, what you put out into the world. These are all great ways to use live video to help you as a marketing tool. But now that I've showed you all that, let me tell you the best things to do. Some of my favorite tips and way to do it is do behind the scenes. That's always everybody's favorite. They love seeing behind the scenes. Before and afters, especially if you're a venue owner, showing what your venue looks like empty, and then once somebody comes in and does some epicness all throughout. Also, if you have a special iconic place that makes you unique as a venue, this is always a good place to show that during a live. If you're a DJ, you always want to use live video showing you getting the crowd all excited and the type of music that you play. Also, if you're a wedding planner, this is a great time to kind of go through the Q&As, the P&Qs, all the things that you want to call them about the do's and the don'ts of kind of what you like for your clients to know. You also have to remember that this is a great education tool. So I use it a lot of time to say like my no-nos of how I advise to stay away from certain things or things that are overdone. Like I said, DJs, y'all hear me about the same songs that get played over and over and over again. All right. So these are huge tips and tricks that you can use to really make this marketing tool your number one marketing tool. All right. So thanks for paying attention. If you want to see some of these actually in motion, make sure you go check me out over on all of my social media, and you will see how I actively implement a lot of these. Thanks, guys.